Introducing Blaze double and single built-in side burners. Each can be fueled by natural gas or propane. The double burner installs as a slide-in unit, and the single burner installs as a drop-in. The single burner model has a heavy-duty stainless steel cooking grid for stable, even cooking and is removable for easy cleaning. Its brass-plated burner is rated for 12,000 BTUs and is ignited with a simple push in and turn of the control knob. To protect the burner from the elements when not in use, the single burner model has a hinged stainless steel cover. The Blaze dual burner slide-in model comes with a solid stainless steel rod cooking grid, which removes for easier cleaning, and each of its brass-plated burners are rated for 12,000 BTUs for high performance and added versatility. Ignition is simple, as each burner has its own igniter controlled by a separate push and turn control knob. For added convenience, the Blaze double side burner comes with a full-width, slide-out stainless drip pan, making short work of cleanup. And to protect the burners from the elements when not in use, there is a removable stainless steel cover. Blaze grills, where grilling starts and flavor begins.